everyone, this is Tasneem for Altenew. Welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. Today I will be watercoloring and creating a card using Ruffled Flowers Stamp Set. So the products that I'm going to be using on my project today are the Ruffled Flowers Stamp Set, Dotted Swirls Embossing Cover Die, and the very sturdy and beautiful watercolor cardstock by Altenew. So this set has two bunches of flowers. I will heat emboss one of them once and the other twice. I will be using the golden peach embossing powder to emboss these. And you'll have to press the stamp very firmly because this is a bit textured cardstock. Once I heat set it, I'll start my coloring. I'll be using this cherry blossom watercolor for the flowers from the Artists Watercolor Set. I'll apply some of the pigment onto the palette so I have a controlled concentration of the pigment. Then I'll apply a light color wash on the flower. Don't worry about going out of the lines. In fact, I will go out of the lines so that I don't end up with a stark white outline after die cutting. To add depth to the flowers, all I'm going to do is drop in a darker or more concentrated pigment in the center and move on to the leaves, adding color the same way as I did to the flowers. This time I will use rainforest for the first layer and add tropical forest pigment at the base of the leaf for depth. If you want to make the flower centers darker, you can go back in to add more pigment. I'll leave you with some music. Enjoy the coloring process. I will show you one more bunch sped up and then color the background, which will be cut out of the Dotted Swirls Embossing Die. I have die cut a watercolor cardstock, by the way. This is from the smaller pack that Altenew has introduced. And people, you should definitely give these watercolor cardstocks a try. They are amazing and so sturdy, and they can take in a lot of water too. I will apply water to the panel and start adding color. This is seashore pigment, by the way. I will apply this in a dripping fashion, mainly on the left side. And the reason I die cut this prior to applying watercolor is so that I get this gorgeous effect of pigment seeping into the dotted design. Once done, I'll add splatters of the same. I will add splatters of forest glaze metallic ink spray, which I will dilute a little with water. And then dry this with my heat gun. I'll adhere the floral images onto the card front with foam tape, forming a floral vine. Then I'll add a ton of fine black paint splatters using a very fine paintbrush. Next, I'll add some gold splatters too, and then I'll adhere the sentiment. And my card is ready. I hope you like the project. See you next week. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.